Everybody, believe it or not, this is a Gucci bag I found on Amazon. Keep watching to find out more. All right, so this is how the purse came. It came in like a little clear package with a brown paper bag. Packaging was okay, but the bag was to die for. Okay, so this is a close up on it. It already came with the emblem on the front of the bag, white. There's the side of the purse. Really, the video is doing no justice on it, but when I say the bag is beautiful, it's beautiful. And again, under $100, so you cannot beat the price. That's the back of the bag. It has a little heart on there with some lines. This is the bottom of the purse. A little close up on the purse. Here's a tag. It has Gucci on it with some numbers. Nothing, super crazy, but who cares? That's how you open the bag. You just push the button and it flips open the flap for you. And then you comes with straps. So I'm just pulling out the straps, pulling out the paper so I can show you the inside of the bag. It does have the Gucci label on the inside as well. Gold hardware for the zipper portion of the bag. And then it also has two small little compartments in there as well. So it's a nice size, again, for a replica Gucci bag for under $100. So everything is gold as far as the hardware on the outside. So this is me just showing the bag with how you can wear it. You can wear it short or long with the straps. The bag is beautiful and it's very lightweight for it to have as much space as it does on the inside. So I was very surprised by that. But again, under $100, you cannot beat it. And the hardware was flawless. And I love how it had the protective little screen on the outside of the hardware just for extra protection, so it didn't come scratched or tainted or rusted or anything. So again, and the straps adjusted very easily. They did not, clink up or bunch up or anything, get tangled. Nothing. The bag is beautiful. So click the link and that'll take you directly to Amazon where you can purchase this purse. Also, please follow my YouTube channel so you can be notified of more deals.